Today is my cleaning day. As usual, I make the bed first after getting up. For me, a day without making my bed is incomplete. To be honest, cleaning is not my favorite hobby, but it doesn't mean that it has to be a torture to do it. The concentration and free mind you have while cleaning can simply be a pure source of joy. What's more, the result of a good clean is the most rewarding thing. Most of the time I'll do the dinner dishes at night, but when I feel too tired or too happy, I allow myself to take it easy sometimes and do it the next morning. It's also a good way to organize my mind after getting up. Nowadays, it's more important to keep a good hygiene than any time in the past because of the widespread of coronavirus. But for me, even on a normal day, a clean and organized home helps me keep a positive mind towards everything. And if we make this into a habit and clean little by little every day, it will not feel like a heavy burden anymore. Vinegar and baking soda are my good friends when it comes to cleaning. They are easily affordable and work like a charm to get rid of the water stain in kettles. The kitchen and bedroom floor gets dirty easily, especially in winter, because the fluff from clothes and the hair on the floor somehow have the tendency to find their way together. If I don't clean the floor for 1 week, it becomes quite dirty already. The biggest annoyance, other than the noise of a vacuum cleaner, is, yes, corners.
soup?
The turkey.
This is the one that I marinated, right?
I'm not sure. I should need it. Or you for the better.
Why? Spoiled?
Another use of vinegar for cleaning is to mix it with soap and water, which cleans the smudges on the floor very well. I use a special sponge for cleaning the sink. It's one that is much denser and with amazing cleaning power. It cleans the stains off the sink very well, and after cleaning, the sink looks like a completely brand new one. There's nothing more rewarding than a good coffee and a good rest after cleaning. The reward is always the most satisfying after hard work. Cleaning the house is also a way to clear up my mind. When I know that things are in order, I know I have done a good job and everything is under control, which in turn brings me happiness. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope it makes your future cleaning routine a little easier and happier.